Hi, I'm Alejandra from Lambda Theta New Sorority Incorporated, and welcome to CultureFest 2020. Today, we're going to show you how to make Dulce Enchilados along with the help of our sister Esmeralda. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need lifesavers, enchilocas, pulparindo, salsagueti, chamoy, tajín, and lucas. In a bowl, you're going to mix together all the candy. We used wild berry lifesavers, but feel free to add whatever flavor lifesavers you want. After you put all the lifesavers in, you're then going to add the enchilocas. Once you've got all the candy mix in bowl, you're then going to take your pulparindo and cut it into little pieces so they're easier to eat, and you're going to drop it in the bowl. You're then going to take your salsagueti, rip it into little pieces, and add that to the bowl as well. Now you're going to take your chamoy and add a good amount to your candy. Next, you're going to take your tajín bottle and add some shakes in there. Now mix everything together and make sure that everything is well combined. And if you want to add more chamoy or tajín, go ahead and add until you're satisfied. Finally, add some different flavored Luca bottles to top everything off, and mix one more time to have everything coated and combined. And with that, you're done! A nice snack for studying or when you need to satisfy your sweet tooth. Thank you for joining Lambda Theta Nu Sorority Incorporated today in making Dulces Enchilados. We hope you had a fun time. Now go out and put your own spin on this easy snack. We can't wait to see what you come up with.